What if I told you this rolling yacht on wheels hides a massive 455 V8, a legendary boat tail design, and turns more heads than most supercars today? The American luxury icon that refused to be forgotten. Imagine a time when American automakers weren't afraid to be bold, a time when luxury wasn't measured by touchscreen displays or digital dashboards. It was measured by chrome, horsepower, craftsmanship, and presence. And few cars captured that spirit better than the 1973 Buick Riviera Boat Tail. This isn't just another classic car. This is a statement. A rolling sculpture, a luxury cruiser inspired by the elegance of high-end yachts and the confidence of an era when bigger was better. Finished in factory-correct brown paint and complemented by a stunning white vinyl interior, this 1973 Buick Riviera Boat Tail commands attention from every angle. With an asking price of $46,995, it stands as one of the most unforgettable American luxury coupes ever built. The moment you see it, your eyes are instantly drawn to the feature that made this Riviera legendary, the boat tail. Stretching gracefully toward the rear, the dramatic fastback design resembles the stern of a luxury speedboat cutting through open water. Even more than 50 years after its debut, nothing else on the road looks quite like it. The design was controversial when new. Some loved it, some hated it. But today, collectors and enthusiasts agree on one thing. It is one of the most daring and iconic automotive designs ever produced by Buick. Walking around this Riviera feels like walking around a piece of rolling art. The long hood stretches endlessly ahead. The massive chrome bumpers shine with authority. The flowing body lines create a sense of movement even while standing still. And those stunning 22-inch wire wheels transform this classic cruiser into a modern-day showstopper. Every angle tells a story. Every reflection highlights the incredible proportions. And everywhere it goes, people stop, stare, and ask questions. But this Riviera isn't just about style. Underneath that beautiful hood lives one of Buick's most legendary power plants, the mighty 455 cubic inch V8. This enormous engine represents the golden age of American displacement, fed by a 4-barrel Rochester carburetor. The big block V8 delivers effortless torque and smooth cruising power that perfectly matches the Riviera's luxury personality. Turn the key. The engine awakens with a deep rumble. The Flowmaster-equipped dual exhaust system adds an aggressive soundtrack without sacrificing refinement. It's a sound that instantly transports you back to an era when V8 engines ruled American highways. Power is sent through the legendary TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Known for its durability and smooth operation, the turbo-hydromatic 400 remains one of General Motors' most respected automatic transmissions. Together, the 455 V8 and TH400 create a driving experience focused on comfort, confidence, and effortless performance. This isn't a sports car. It was never meant to be. The Riviera was built to dominate the open road with style and authority. Power steering makes maneuvering surprisingly easy despite the car's impressive size. Power brakes with front discs provide confident stopping power, and the long wheelbase creates a smooth, floating ride that few modern vehicles can replicate. Every mile feels special. Every journey feels important. Step inside and the luxury experience continues. The factory-correct white vinyl interior creates a striking contrast against the rich brown exterior. The cabin feels spacious, elegant, and unmistakably American. The bucket seats welcome you with comfort and support. The center console separates driver and passenger, creating a cockpit-like environment that was incredibly sophisticated for its time. Look around, and you'll discover the details that made Buick one of America's premier luxury brands. Beautiful trim, classic instrumentation, elegant controls, and a design philosophy focused on making every drive enjoyable. Convenience features were abundant for 1973. Power windows add effortless functionality. Power seats allow the perfect driving position, and factory air conditioning ensures comfort regardless of the weather outside. These were premium features during the early 1970s, reinforcing the Riviera's position at the top of Buick's lineup. But this particular example also embraces modern technology. A JVC AM/FM stereo system has been integrated into the vehicle, offering Bluetooth connectivity and Sirius XM compatibility. That means you can enjoy modern music streaming, hands-free convenience, and satellite radio while cruising in one of the most iconic luxury cars ever produced. It's the perfect blend of classic style and modern usability. The best classic cars don't just preserve history. They make history accessible. And that's exactly what this Riviera accomplishes. As daylight fades and the chrome catches the golden reflections of sunset, the Riviera reveals another side of its personality. It becomes more than transportation, more than a collectible, more than a classic car. It becomes an experience, an expression of American creativity. A reminder that automotive design once embraced imagination without limits. Today, collectors continue to seek out the 1971 through 1973 boat tail Rivieras because they represent something truly unique. They stand apart from everything else. No other luxury coupe looks quite like this. No other Buick carries the same visual drama, and no other Riviera captures the spirit of 1970s American luxury quite as perfectly. This 1973 model is especially significant because it marks the final year of the original boat tail generation, the end of an era, the final chapter of one of Buick's boldest design experiments. And that makes examples like this increasingly desirable among collectors who appreciate automotive history. At $46,995, this Riviera offers more than a classic car. It offers ownership of a genuine American icon. A vehicle that still turns heads, still sparks conversations, and still delivers the same sense of occasion it did more than 5 decades ago. The 1973 Buick Riviera Boat Tail isn't trying to fit in. It never did. It was designed to stand out, and all these years later, it still does. Because true automotive legends never go out of style. They simply become more valuable with time. And few legends wear the title more proudly than the unforgettable 1973 Buick Riviera Boat Tail.